Hey, this is Chantel, keeping it simple. In this tutorial, I want to talk about using a screen recorder. Depending on the software that you want to use, you're really limited only by your imagination. For me, I use screencast-o-matic. And for those of you a little bit concerned about technology that's new to you, I'm telling you, I really feel like the software is simple to use. The learning curve is very low. It's just as simple as loading up the software, clicking record, clicking stop, and that's it. Your video's done. So let's take a closer look. I'm actually actively using my recorder right now to make this presentation, so it's a little tricky for me to show you how screencast-o-matic works. So I actually took some still pictures or screen captures of what it is that I do when I'm making my recording. And for those of you who are like, man, this seems like it may be complicated, I promise you it's not. And what's great, screencast-o-matic has some video tutorials. So if you log on there and you decide you want to try it, just read through the videos or go through the videos and see if that helps you a little bit more. Now, what happens when you get started with screencast-o-matic? When you go to their page, you're going to have a couple of options. For me, when I go there, of course, I log in because I've created an account. You have a choice. You can sign up or you can start a free recording. This is the option I'm going to really talk about, just in case you're watching this and you want to just try it. And you decide you want to just start a recording, meaning you're going to start it for free. So what happens when you click that button? You're going to go to another page. And once again, they're going to give you another option. You can either just start recording or you can sign up for an account. I'm going to assume that you're going to just test it out. So you're going to click Launch Recorder. Now, I can't really duplicate what would happen once you click that because I've already done it. But if it's your first time utilizing it, you're going to actually get a little dialog box that's going to pop up. And what it wants to let you know is that, hey, we need to download something onto your computer so that your computer can talk to our screencast-o-matic. Once you follow the actions on that dialog box, you're going to get another little window or a little pop-up. And what that's going to let you know, hey, now we're recording. So it's getting ready to launch the recorder to give you the ability to record. You'll know when the recorder is live because another box is going to pop up. Now this is where everything happens. There's a box that's going to pop up. This box I'm showing you right here, this box that you're seeing right here that I'm following, this box is going to allow you to do all your recording. So everything that happens with inside of this box is going to allow you to do your recordings. Anything that happens on the outside of the box, it's not going to record. So what I usually do is I go find whatever it is that I'm going to record, because the great thing is, even though this box is up here with the record, you can still click anywhere on your desktop and it's going to still work the same. So what I usually do is I go to wherever my presentation is and open it up and try to get it as full as I can. And then I adjust this window, this box window, so it captures everything that I want to record. Once I'm ready to record, I simply click on the record button and then it's going to record everything. Then of course I'm making this box smaller for this tutorial. But what I would normally do is make this big enough into a presentation style so that's all you can see is my slide. Once you hit record, you know it's recording because you'll see this little timer here to let you know how much time you utilized already in your recording, which is great because if you're trying to make a short video, you can kind of see, okay, I'm timing this right, or I need to slow this down, or I need to speed this up. I think that's a great feature. If you want to pause it, you click that blue button and then it's going to come back to this screen. This is going to let you know it's not recording right now. If you see this recording button, that means whatever you're doing on the screen is not being captured. I do want to let you know there are a lot of different little tools that you can use. I don't utilize all those functions, but they're great. You can decide if you're going to just record your screen. So you could turn your computer audio off. You can turn your narration off. You can utilize a webcam as you're recording. Obviously, I'm a little camera shy, so I haven't stepped up to that level yet. They have editing tools, so you can draw on the screen as you're recording. You can make lines, arrows, box, ovals, whatever it is that you want to do to accentuate. Like I said, I usually don't use all those tools because I just want to capture my screen and move over. You can just change colors. There's just plenty of things you can do. And once again, this little editing bar clicks on when you click this tool up here, this drawing tool, pencil tool, I guess you would say it. Now, once you're finished recording, as I said, you click that pause button. So I'm curious, did this help? Do you have some questions? Leave some comments below. And once again, I thank you for watching until the end. Hey, don't forget to subscribe.